Oya, arwako blue collar. So today wadhi loso kom Jadolo gi a church pew. The client ne dwani walos negi kini negi dhi chiwe as a chiwo for their 40th anniversary celebrations. The parishioners at St. Peter's Church Robo, which is one of like the oldest churches in our area. It was a really pleasure to get to do this project and build something that will be part of the community for Igni to come. So here we are at St. Peter's Robo. You can see there's a lot of history in this facility. As you can see, the pews were very minimal in design. Gionge weche mang'eny. Marwani gi variation we don't have a shelf. Ours is more of a pocket where you can put in notebook ni kata boomer and whatnot. The kom Jadolo was more ornamental, it was a bit flashy, as you can see from the fix. So back to the workshop, no dokelos or tielo. Interesting cut to make here, but we were using multi-centennial joints to put everything together. Apart from the joints, we are also using 2-inch nails. So tunazikata wangado wigi. We just countersink them using a dot punch. Kasto hiyo mugifila koro okibineno sama iseru wetu vile rangi. You can barely see it. In the next view, how the joints stand out really flush. Onge weche mang'eny. Kanyo koro wakibuse wanyalo gosede matin. Kom Jadolo is up to this point taking shape pretty nicely. So we're just attaching the spindles which we got from Kibuye to the back. So yeah, you can see it's just like a glue up and then clamping the things together. And we finished up with the backrest. Turns out pretty nice. Kom Jadolo was almost there, so it is maduong manodong and mana sanding girangi. Giloso the cushions. Currently, we're working on the pews. So the pews we were using cypress wood, and we were using 10 by 1 pieces, and the entire thing was on 22 inches. A 3D model Kenyan and how the pew looks. Just when you notice the variation in terms of how the book holder, Katakia Bible holder, Chalo. Ours, you can see, is more of a pocket, while the original was more of a shelf design. As the D-Day approached, Nodem Yimegi Timo finishing both kom Jadolo, the church pew, Porokano Keto, the backrest, and I just doing more of the finishing touches to both the pieces. Nyargineraka dropped in to inspect the work. She was, I think, very happy with how things were coming along. I think Kane Wadong Managi made the pew paint job. We had already joined the pieces together. It's basically just a bench, a big bench. It's not a very complicated thing. I don't know how to over-explain it. Or rather, I don't want to over-explain. Or can you over-explain it? The pew. Cannot even finishing for me the dedication, just the writing of Korojomano Chiwe to St. Peter's Parish. It's a tradition to do that. I guess finally D-Day, we are doing the delivery of the pieces. I think they're good to go. I loaded them up, tukaelekea kanisa, tukazifikisha. On the day of the function, it was colorful. Erokamanomo belong to the Babuwood family for allowing us to be a part of your celebrations. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of content, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.